So like I lost hope during A-levels, and then I found Tuitional, and then I've been having few classes with Mr. Mohammed, and I swear to God, because of him, you'll understand. In term 2, I've been scoring A's after A's. All my tests I've been getting A's, and like every day I'd like thank him. Like honestly, like thank him like I don't know, like 10 times, or like the whole class I'll be like, Sir, thank you so much, because of you I got an A. And like he's so sweet because he's so patient. I would like bombard him with so many questions. And then as well as with Miss Sarah, she teaches me pure, and like term 1 I feel like, again, I say it was really hard, and like now I've been doing all my like tests and like unit tests, for example, or like any past paper, because of practice, because she made me practice so many past papers. I've been able to like, you know, like basically like it's like I've been improving a lot more. Improving a lot more in maths, and now I've been getting A's because of her. And then again, mechanics from Miss Isa, mechanics and physics. Like we can't forget physics. She's multi-talented like that. So in physics, Miss Isa would like make me read the textbook. She'll make me read it out loud. She'll make me answer countless questions and she'll give me so many homework. But like honestly, even though the workload is a lot from her, but like it's all worth it at the end of the day. Like she gave me chapter questions. I finished it all so quickly because of how well she taught me before class. And I said one day I was struggling so much in one chapter, and I told Miss Isa how much I'm struggling, and like we spent 2 classes. She spent 2 classes with me trying to like make sure that I understand the topic. And then after class I went to my mom and I was like, Mom, can we have a moment to like thank this teacher because of how well she made me understand this topic? Because I was that happy. I swear, Miss, like. And then I've been doing some mechanics past paper, and like suddenly I don't know if it's Muslim, I don't know what Miss Isa or like Mr. Mohammed and Miss Sarah did to me. It's like some kind of magic, like some kind of spell they put on me, and that kind of suddenly made me smarter, which is crazy. And also, Miss, you know, 2 days ago actually I did my one of my chemistry tests, right? It was yesterday. The day before that, Mr. Mohammed, he spent 2 hours with me. Our class is basically 1 hour, and like he actually asked whether I could do another hour so I could like practice my past papers with him before the test. It was the sweetest things I've ever done. It was so nice. And then because of that 2-hour session I had with him, I did well. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how much I scored, but like I could tell that the test went really well because of how quickly I finished the test, and how like I did how do I say this? Like I didn't like stop at one question, and like I didn't have to think as much. You know what I mean? Like I didn't need to spend so much time on that question. Mm-hmm. So yeah, I was so happy after the test. So like on Wednesday, I'd have to like. I was actually gonna thank him today, but like, so I'm very excited to meet the 10, honestly. Infinity, it keeps going. Honestly, it's amazing. I'll tell, like, people would ask me like places to get tuition. I'll just tell them Tuitional. I'll give their numbers, like give your numbers to them. It's honestly the best place to have tuitions. And I also must have to thank you as well, because like I get to like how do I say this, vent everything to you and tell you, because I don't usually tell people about my achievements. I keep it to myself. So you make me feel so comfortable to have this like conversation. So like, yeah, it's really nice talking to you.